Hello everyone, and welcome to our demonstration of LAI, the learner-aware AI agentic platform. Our goal is simple. Give every student a personal, always-on tutor that understands their abilities, adapts on the fly, and never cheats them of real learning. Over the next few minutes we'll show the problem, our motivation, and how our multi-agent architecture solves it. Existing tutoring apps offer one-size-fits-all explanations. They struggle to adapt when two learners move at very different paces or prefer totally different styles. That leaves fast learners bored, slower learners frustrated, and teachers juggling multiple platforms to fill the gaps. Worse, none of these tools plug neatly into each other, so progress data is siloed and opportunities for personalized feedback are lost. In short, today's solutions can't deliver truly personalized, continuously adaptive learning at scale. You've all seen the headlines: ChatGPT and the death of education, NYC schools ban ChatGPT, professors catching students cheating. These stories show real concern about AI undermining learning, but they also highlight an incredible opportunity: using the same technology to enhance, not replace, education. We believe the answer isn't banning AI, it's building guardrailed, learner-centric agents that encourage mastery, honesty, and curiosity. That belief drives the architecture you'll see next. LAI is a personalized tutoring system that combines adaptive learning theory with real-time student modeling. Now let's dive under the hood and see how our multi-agent system makes that possible. The moment a learner signs in, LAI runs an initial user identification. We record their grade level, recent math scores, typical study session length, and preferred learning style. That profile stays with the student through the entire session. When the student submits a question, it first passes through our input guardrails, lightweight PE detectors that scrub any personal data before we process the request. The cleaned prompt lands in the platform, where two things happen in parallel. Intent classification works out what the student is asking, and the knowledge tracing component updates our real-time model of how well they understand each concept. Those signals feed the agent classification module, which decides which specialist agent should tackle the problem. For a math question, we start with the simple math solver, which generates step-by-step workings in the final answer. A dedicated critic agent immediately reviews those steps. If everything is correct, we're done. If there's any doubt, the problem is escalated to the complex math solver for a deeper analysis. This switch happens only once per question. Verified solutions, along with the learner's profile, intent, and knowledge tracing insights, flow into the Socratic agent. That agent crafts an explanation tailored to the student's mastery level and preferred learning style. Meanwhile, two support agents can jump in. The question generation agent suggests follow-up problems to reinforce learning, and the web search agent surfaces external resources when needed. Finally, everything passes through output guardrails for policy compliance, and the polished answer is delivered back in the chat window. Every conversation is stored, anonymized, and fed to the conversation analyzer agent. Its insights loop back into agent classification, constantly improving routing accuracy over time. In short, this multi-agent architecture keeps the learner safe, meets them exactly where they are academically, and delivers accurate, explain-as-you-go solutions, every single time. Let's move on to our demonstration. On a learner's very first login, we start with a short, timed quiz. Just a handful of scenario questions designed by educational psychologists. From those answers we profile the student along 4 proven dimensions. 1. Active or reflective. 2. Sensing or intuitive. 3. Visual or verbal. 4. Sequential or global. The result is a personalized learning fingerprint that guides every explanation, example, and follow-up question the platform delivers from that moment on. Welcome to the public LAI portal. This site is more than a brochure, it's an interactive sandbox that showcases exactly what the platform can do. And here's the best part. Anyone can chat with LAI immediately. No sign up, no download. That friction-free experience lets teachers, students, and parents feel the adaptive magic for themselves before they ever create an account. Let's wind up the tour with our teaser video.